Welcome to Q Balmy Beach. Beautiful Canada Day morning. Love when those sun rays sparkle off of the lake water like that, the waves. It's really nice. Some cool artwork on someone's garage. It's nice and peaceful and quiet down here this morning. Not too many people, but then again, I got down here at like 6:30 a.m. It's probably about 7:30 now, most likely. And it's actually starting to shape up to be gorgeous. It was supposed to be a thunderstorm, so I got down here early to make sure I could get my walk in, and it looks like that might either not happen or it might happen later on in the day. But right now, it's actually shaping up to be pretty nice. A little bit hazy, tiny wee bit of smoke haze up there, as you can expect for what's been happening with these wildfires, but not too bad.